I'm now going to turn to the bit that many of you have been waiting for, the awards. Perhaps, Matt, you'll stay with us, and we'll be able to come back to you once we've announced them. The response we got for the new Made in Boston Awards from business wasn't just enthusiastic, it was one of real quality. This should make us all feel really positive about the collective future prosperity, whether you're a student looking for the first job, a new startup business, you're designing a new product, or you're looking to export for the first time. Boston College is absolutely committed to working with you to achieve these aims. Prosperity means everything from attracting highly skilled people to the area, having better restaurants, higher salaries, an art scene, infrastructure investment that Matt talked about earlier. And putting Boston on the map, which was a sort of slightly weird, not very catchy name for one of the awards, drew a fantastic and perhaps surprising response. I'm pleased to say included entries from many of our better known employers, and I'm going to sort of run through a catch-all as much as I can of the entries to give you a flavour of what we've got here. Euroflow Automation have shown Boston's very best characteristics in designing a new cabbage processing line for the US market. Starting from scratch, they overcame Japanese and European competitors and COVID, which impacted, of course, on their supply chain, but were rewarded with a bigger contract because of the quality of their solution. Many have a long history of innovation, including Euroflow Automation, who have designed fully automated factory operating for blue chip companies using the latest mobile autonomous robots, able, and I love this, to run the factory as a lights out plant. That sounds like a win always round. You're all a bit modest when it came to the Boston Maker Awards, but I'm back with Euroflow Automation, where Darren Smith has made an outstanding contribution to the business in the past 2 years. All the more remarkable given that he comes from a non-engineering background. His work with the Japanese multinational has helped transform the prospects of Euroflow and help propel the business to a worldwide level. Euroflow Automation are featured strongly already, and their entry here highlights an entrepreneurial culture that has changed Boston's business landscape over generations. Current Managing Director Melanie Milnes can look to both her grandparents and parents for inspiration. Her grandmother, Jessica, and I didn't know this until I saw the submission, was the youngest female manager of a Woolworths store when she ran the Boston branch in the 1930s. And her father, Michael, will be known to many for Snowflake wood shavings before forming Millwood Holdings, of which Euroflow is a subsidiary. This company's contribution to our Made in Boston brand spans food, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries, and they've supplied complete lines to FTSE 100 customers. It's a fantastic achievement, which is why I'm delighted to announce that Euroflow are the deserving winners of 2020's Made in Boston Award. Well done, Euroflow.